Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to create seed bead bead. For it you will need to have 12mm bead, seed bead size 10, thread and scissors. Let's start. This bead out of 12mm. This bead is created out of 10mm, and this bracelet I had created from beads of 8mm. As you can see, it looks very interesting and shiny, and inside I have elastic here inside, which is 1mm. You can create different variations of this kind of bracelets if you will use different colors or really bright colors, or you can mix them with, I have created here orange, you can mix it for example with purple or light blue, and you will get new results every time, and I'm sure everyone around you will really like your creation. Take 1 meter of the thread, take 4 seed beads and go through them again this way, and then enter to the first seed bead. We have now small circle. Now take 1 seed bead and enter to the next seed bead this way. Again 1 seed bead. And enter to the next one. Again 1 seed bead. And here you need to make a step up. You enter to the last bead of the first row and to the first seed bead of second row. Now we will take 2 seed beads and enter to this seed bead. Again 2 seed beads. Again 2 seed beads. In this row you will have 8 seed beads in total. And we take last 2 seed beads in this row and we enter to the last bead of previous row and to the first bead of our last row. Now we will add 1 seed bead in between each seed bead, 8 in total. Six, 7 and 8. Again we enter to 2 seed beads to make a step up. Now for our convenience we will sew together our bead and our seed bead base. For it, take our bead and hole of the bead should be in the same place where we have our hole here. So first of all we will enter to the bead and we enter to the hole from this side and we sew them together this way. Now we again enter to the hole of the bead and we go out from this hole. Make sure that your thread is going in between seed beads. One more. We should have our threads from 4 sides. Now we have 3 threads going out from the bead, and we need to create one more. Now when our bead is attached to our seed bead element, we need to go out with our thread in our last row. Just go through the seed beads and go out from the one of the seed beads of the last row. Now we will need to create next row bigger than previous one. In the previous one we had 8, now we need to make 12 in the next row. For it, take one seed bead and go inside the next seed bead, which is like going out. Next step, take 2 seed beads and go into the seed bead of previous row. Again, 1 seed bead, 2 seed beads, again 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And here we make a step up. And now in our row we have 12 seed beads. And next row we take 1 seed bead at a time. And you enter to the every seed bead of the previous row. In total you will have as well 12 seed beads in this row. Seven. Here we have 11 and 12, and we need to make a step up. Next row as well, 12 seed beads. $11 and 12. Again, step up. Again, 12 seed beads. And step up. Next row, again 12 seed beads. Now we need to start to close our bead. For it we will need to narrow our rows. For it we will need to take 1 seed bead and go to another seed bead as well, 1, and go inside the second seed bead here. Then you enter with the empty thread and needle to the third seed bead of the previous row. So basically you add 1 seed bead, then you take 1 seed bead and you pass through 2 seed beads here. You go inside 1 and inside the second one. Again you take 1, go to the next seed bead, to the 1, then you take 1 seed bead and you enter into 2 seed beads, 1 and 2. This way you will have 8 seed beads in this row. Again, you take only 1 seed bead, enter in 1. Take again 1 seed bead and enter in 2. And here you have a step up as well. So for your convenience, just enter in 2 seed beads with 1 and then make a step up here. Next row will be equal to 8 seed beads as well, so we just enter to every seed bead of previous row. and 8, and you make a step up. Now we need to, instead of 8 seed beads, we need 4. For it, take 1 seed bead and enter 2 seed beads. Again, take 1 seed bead and enter 2. Again, 1, enter 2. And the last one, take 1 and enter into 2 this way and step up. And the last row will be equal as well to 4 seed beads. We just add 1 seed bead and we enter to the 1 seed bead. 2, 3, and 4, and step up and pull. Our bead is ready. Now what we need to do is go out next to our thread. Make a knot and weave the thread in different directions. One of my threads will go to this side, and cut the thread. The same, I will just weave it inside our beads and I will cut the thread. Our bead is ready. Hope this video was useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and tutorials. Don't forget to leave a comment below this video if you have any suggestions, and have a nice day!